Bronsky Orthodontics is a unique establishment. We're here for you. We're going to tailor our plans to your needs and your schedule and make sure you get the best care possible.
I love that the patients, the first thing they comment on is the music when they come here.
I would describe Dr. Bronsky as a person as very genuine. You can tell he deeply cares for people. I would definitely tell somebody to come here over anywhere else.
The single takeaway I'd like the patients to have for every single visit is, wow, those people really did it all.
For someone coming to Bronsky Orthodontics, I would say they're gonna have fun each time they come in. Between the smiling faces, the cookies, the cool music, and the laughs that you hear with everyone, I think each time they come in, they won't feel like they're coming to a doctor's appointment. It's just like seeing a friend.
You are going to get the results that you want. You will get great care, and you will have a fun time while you're here.
In fact, today, a young man that we finished treatment on said, well, I get to come back, don't I? Even though I'm done? That's what we want.